Hey guys, today we're going to be having a look at the unboxing of the things that hurt zipper pulls. Now, I've been wanting to get one of these. Let's see, I got this at Kid Robot in Soho, New York. So, yes, here's the box. Well, it says SJ versus Kid Robot. It says, "Stop the violence." See, it says Jane with like a peace sign. Kid Robot. Well, unlike the other boxes, you can't see what kind of figures you can get in the set. Like, they have a pamphlet. So let's open this up. So, see it. So here's a pamphlet. It's a heart pamphlet. You got series of handguns, missiles, a bag of money, some grenades, which are bombs, brass knuckles, bullets, blades, knives, and a heart. You can see things that hurt, right? Something you usually know. Okay, so let's see what we got. What is it? There's like a notch. Ourselves a bullet. Missile. So it's a missile. See, it's pink. See here. On the top. You got the pink one. You can see here. It's pink. Anything else? Any sticker card? Ah, yes, there it is. Got a Kid Robot sticker. See with the peace sign. Give peace a chance. Okay, so things that hurt. So, alright, let's move on to the South Park one. See, the figures you can get are Stan, Kyle, Wendy, Mr. Hat, turns to Philip, Chef, question mark, which is the Manor Pig, and I got Carmen, Kenny, Butters, Professor Chaos, Mr. Slave, Miss Hanky, and Satan. So it's already intact already. Also, so let's see. This Bumpy. Let's see what it is. So you got Chef. Let's see. Chef. So thanks for watching.